What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best dog foods in 2024, based on quality, nutrition, and customer feedback. Whether you have a puppy, an adult, or a senior dog, you'll find something suitable for your canine companion in this list. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. And stay tuned until the end because I have a special surprise for you that will make your dog's tail wag with joy. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food, Salmon and Rice Formula. This product has been making waves in the pet food market, and we're here to find out why. So let's dive in. First up, this formula includes oatmeal. Known for its easy digestibility, oatmeal is gentle on your dog's digestive system, making it perfect for those with sensitive stomachs. It's a great source of fiber, which can help regulate your dog's bowel movements and contribute to overall digestive health. Plus, it's a whole grain, so it provides slow-releasing energy to keep your dog active throughout the day. Next, let's talk about protein. The first ingredient in this formula is real salmon, providing a high-protein diet that supports your dog's overall health and muscle growth. Protein is essential for your dog's body to build and repair tissues. Plus, salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and keep your dog's coat shiny. Another great feature of this dog food is that it's fortified with guaranteed live probiotics. These aid in digestive health and boost your dog's immune system, keeping them healthy and active. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help balance the gut microbiota, which plays a crucial role in your dog's overall health. You might recognize this product under a different name. It used to be known as Focus Sensitive Skin and Stomach Salmon and Rice Formula. Despite the name change, the quality and benefits remain the same. So, if your dog was a fan of the Focus formula, they'll likely enjoy this one just as much. Lastly, this formula includes sunflower oil, rich in omega-6 fatty acids. This helps maintain a healthy skin and coat, keeping your dog looking their best. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential for skin and coat health, and they can also help support your dog's immune system. In conclusion, the Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food Salmon and Rice Formula seems to be a great choice for dogs with sensitive skin and stomach. It offers a balanced diet with added benefits for your furry friend's health. Remember, every dog is unique, so it's always best to consult with your vet before making any changes to their diet. Number 4. The Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Natural Adult Dry Dog Food. This product promises to deliver high-quality nutrition for your furry friends. So, without further ado, let's get started. One of the standout features of this dog food is that real meat is always the first ingredient. The high-quality protein from real chicken not only tantalizes your dog's taste buds, but also helps them build and maintain robust muscles. But that's not all. This food also contains wholesome whole grains, garden veggies, and fruit, providing a balanced and nutritious diet for your pet. This product is specifically formulated for adult dogs. It understands the unique dietary needs of adult dogs, and hence contains essential proteins and carbohydrates to meet their energy needs. Moreover, it features omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which are known to promote a shiny coat and healthy skin, ensuring your pet looks as good as they feel. Another impressive feature of this food is the inclusion of life source bits. These are a precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that have been carefully selected by holistic veterinarians and animal nutritionists. They are designed to support immune system health, cater to life stage needs, and maintain a healthy oxidative balance, contributing to the overall well-being of your pet. Blue Buffalo is committed to providing pets with the finest natural ingredients. This dog food is enhanced with vitamins and minerals and does not contain any chicken or poultry, byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, or preservatives. This commitment to natural, healthy ingredients is one of the reasons why many pet owners trust Blue Buffalo. Lastly, it's worth noting that the Blue Life Protection Formula Chicken and Brown Rice Recipe Food for Puppies is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO Dog Food Nutrient Profiles for Growth. This ensures that your growing puppy gets all the nutrients they need for healthy development. In conclusion, the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula offers a comprehensive and balanced diet for your adult dogs. With real meat, essential nutrients, and no artificial ingredients, it's a great choice for keeping your furry friend healthy and happy. Number 3. The Hill's Pet Nutrition Science Diet Dry Dog Food Adult Chicken and Barley Recipe. This product promises a lot and we're here to see if it delivers. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, this dog food is made with natural ingredients. It uses high-quality, easy-to-digest ingredients that are perfect for your full-grown dog's energy needs. The main ingredients are chicken and barley, which are both excellent sources of protein and fiber. This means that your dog will be getting a balanced diet that's not only tasty but also nutritious. Next, let's talk about skin and coat health. This product helps maintain a beautiful skin and a healthy coat by providing a precise balance of omega-6 and vitamin E. These nutrients are essential for maintaining the health and shine of your dog's coat, so your furry friend can strut their stuff with a shiny, healthy coat. Plus, a healthy coat is a sign of overall good health. Another great feature is its support for lean muscle growth and maintenance. It contains a premium source of high-quality protein, with a caloric content of 3,665 kilocalories per kilogram, 364 kilocalories cup. It's the perfect diet for your active adult dog. The high protein content helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, which is crucial for your dog's overall health and well-being. Moreover, it's packed with natural fibers to promote healthy digestion. So, not only does your dog get a tasty meal, but also a meal that's gentle on their tummy. The natural fibers help regulate your dog's digestive system, preventing issues like constipation and diarrhea. Plus, a healthy digestive system means better absorption of nutrients, leading to a healthier and happier dog. Lastly, it's made in the USA with global ingredients you can trust. So, you can rest assured knowing you're feeding your dog a safe, quality product. The brand, Hill's Pet Nutrition, is known for its stringent quality control and commitment to providing the best for your pets. In conclusion, Hill's Pet Nutrition Science Diet Dry Dog Food Adult Chicken and Barley Recipe is a fantastic choice for your adult dog. It's packed with natural ingredients, promotes skin and coat health, supports muscle growth, aids digestion, and is made with trustworthy ingredients. Number 2. The Ollie Fresh Beef with Sweet Potato Dog Food. This all-natural dog jerky is perfect for snack time or rewarding your pup for being on their best behavior. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what sets Ollie apart from other dog food brands. Ollie is committed to providing all natural ingredients. That means no artificial flavors or preservatives. Just real, pronounceable ingredients that you can trust. It's the perfect all-natural dog treat that your pup will love and you can feel good about giving. Next, let's discuss the ingredients. Ollie beef jerky dog treats are made in the USA from US and imported ingredients. They're human-grade and 100% all-natural. The ingredients list includes beef, oats, coconut glycerin, sweet potato, sea salt, and celery powder. These are quality ingredients that you can see and taste, and more importantly, they're ingredients that contribute to your dog's overall health and well-being. One of the best things about Ollie is what it doesn't have. No preservatives, fillers, corn, wheat, soy, or meat byproducts. Just pure, wholesome ingredients for your furry friend. This is incredibly important, as many dog foods on the market today are filled with unnecessary fillers and preservatives that can be harmful to your dog's health. Ollie follows a meat-first recipe. This means the first ingredient on the label is always meat, in this case, beef. It's a protein-packed treat your dog will love. This is great news for your pup, as dogs need a diet high in protein to maintain their energy levels and overall health. Remember, Ollie jerky treats are meant to be given as treats, not meal replacements. They shouldn't take up more than 10% of your dog's daily calorie intake. And the best part, they come in 2 flavors, chicken and apple along with beef and sweet potato, so you can switch it up and keep your dog excited about snack time. So there you have it, folks. Ollie Fresh Beef with Sweet Potato Dog Food is a high-quality, all-natural treat that your dog is sure to love. It's made with care and consideration for your dog's health and taste buds. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Number 1. The JustFoodForDogs Chicken and White Rice Recipe Dog Food. This isn't your average dog food, it's a paradigm shift in canine nutrition. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what sets this product apart. Just Food for Dogs isn't your run-of-the-mill dog food. It's 100% human grade. Yes, you heard that right. It's made with fresh whole foods that are gently cooked to ensure optimal nutrient absorption. This means your furry friend is getting a meal that's as close to homemade as it gets without you having to spend hours in the kitchen. Moving on to the health benefits. This food is 40% more digestible than kibble. That's a significant difference. Pet parents have reported a host of improvements in their dog's health after switching to Just Food for Dogs. We're talking better digestion, healthier skin, shinier coat, increased energy, easier weight management, and even more excitement at mealtime. It's like a health spa treatment but in a bowl. One of the challenges with fresh dog food is its shelf life, but Just Food for Dogs has that covered too. Thanks to innovative Tetra Pak packaging, this fresh dog food is free from preservatives and can be stored unopened for up to 2 years. That's right, 2 years. So whether you're planning a road trip with your pup or just like to stock up, this product has got you covered. Another great feature of Just Food for Dogs is its versatility. You can feed it as a complete meal or mix it in with your dog's current food for a nourishing boost. The recipes are fully balanced and formulated to deliver daily essential nutrients for active adult dogs. So whether you're looking to switch up your dog's diet or just add a little something extra, this food is a fantastic option. And if you're still not convinced, here's the clincher. Just Food for Dogs is the #1 vet-recommended fresh dog food brand. They didn't just stumble upon this title, they earned it. They pioneered the fresh dog food category and are the only fresh dog food brand used in clinical research trials. That's a seal of approval you can trust. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for a dog food that's not just healthy and versatile, but also vet-approved, the Just Food for Dogs chicken and white rice recipe dog food is definitely worth considering. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your dog's life. So that wraps up our list of the best dog foods in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Lock family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.